Let's make a quick vampire with a sickly translucent skin effect. I already went ahead and popped in the fangs. These are small fangs from Scarecrow. I didn't want to go with just a flat white or pale base. I want the skin to look unhealthy, not made up. To get this effect, grab some Mehron cream foundation. You're gonna want an orange sponge and start stamping that color all over. But you can use whatever you want. This will work with water or alcohol activated makeups. I ended up mixing 2 of these tones just for a slightly lighter complexion. It's gonna make the skin pale, but also give it a unique texture. And you can soften this, or you can build it up and make it more extreme. For some of the veins, I used Mehron Teal. Painting these veins all over, some are gonna be darker, and then do some lighter ones as well. I'm gonna frame the face with the heavier veins, and just keep painting tiny little wiggly lines. Follow that up with the red, and do not be afraid to layer. The more complex this all looks, the more it's gonna give you that true translucent look to the skin. So you're gonna want it all over the face. I do tend to paint them a lot lighter in the center portion of the face. And if you feel like you've gotten too dark, you can go back over with some of that complexion color to soften it out. For the shading, I chose this brighter Mehron purple, but honestly, all kinds of colors are gonna work for this. It just really depends on the look you're going for. Just shade the typical areas, under the cheekbones, the temples and jawline. Also brought it along the hairline. Tried some blue, but it was a lot brighter than I expected. We're just gonna blend that out. With a smaller brush, with whatever shade or colors you decide, go ahead and hit the outer corners of the mouth and around the eyes. And I'm bringing this out pretty far from the eyes to give it a sickly look. Lighten my eyebrows because I wanted to lower the contrast on my face. I did end up doing a beauty eye look, but of course this is not required for a vampire look. If I wasn't doing beauty, I'd probably just grab a reddish brown color and do that closer to the lash line just to kind of define the eyes a bit better. Rubbed a little red inside the lip. This color ended up being a little pinker than what I wanted, but I think it looks fine. Added some highlights with some white eyeshadow. Doing this is going to make your contouring look more extreme. Just a little bit of blood. I like using Fleet Street because once it dries, it is not sticky. Of course, a costume and contact lenses are going to be the cherry on top. If you're looking for something a little more creepy, be sure to click the next video and see how you can make a quick infected makeup look.